In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs read aloud. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on the setting that lets Google Docs work smoothly with your computer's built-in screen reader, so the text in your document can be read aloud while you work. First, open your Google Doc in the Chrome browser. This feature is designed to work best in Chrome, so make sure you're not using a different browser or viewing the file in a preview window. If you have multiple tabs open, switch to the one with your document so the menu bar is clearly visible at the top. Next, look to the top menu and click Tools. If you don't see the full menu, try maximizing your window or zooming out slightly so the Tools option appears. From the Tools menu, select Accessibility Settings. This opens a small settings window that controls how Google Docs communicates with assistive technologies. Inside that window, turn on screen reader support. This is the key switch that tells Google Docs to provide rich, structured information to your screen reader, including details like headings, comments, selections, and navigation cues. After you've turned it on, click OK to save and close the settings. Now you're ready to use your computer's screen reader. With screen reader support enabled, Google Docs will expose the document's content and interface in a way your screen reader can understand. That means when you use your normal reading commands, you can hear the text of the document, move through headings and paragraphs, and get feedback as you navigate the toolbar and menus. If you want to hear the entire document, place your cursor where you want to start and use your screen reader's continuous reading command. To review a specific section, highlight the text and use your screen reader's read selection command. Voice, speed, and verbosity are all controlled by your screen reader's own settings, so adjust those there to get the pacing and detail you prefer. If you're not hearing anything inside the doc, double-check that screen reader support is still on in accessibility settings, then refresh the page. Make sure you're in editing mode and not just viewing a shared preview. Updating Chrome or temporarily disabling extensions that modify pages can also help if something seems off. That's all you need to make Google Docs read aloud. Open your doc in Chrome, enable screen reader support under Tools, click OK, and then let your computer's screen reader do the talking.